I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening Shopify and making sure the app is updated. Outdated builds often hide settings or fail to refresh. Once you're signed into the account you actually use, check that your device list is synced so personalized home data loads correctly. Make a quick backup of playlists or liked songs to avoid accidental loss while you change layout and recommendations. This prevents surprises later, and it lets you restore anything if a reset removes curated content. Now you'll clear the cache or reinstall the app if recommendations are stale. This forces Shopify to rebuild the home feed. Next, go to Settings, locate Home Content, and toggle specific sections on or off. This controls what modules appear and reduces clutter. Then reset algorithm-driven mixes by removing them from your library or skipping tracks to retrain taste signals. These steps change both what Shopify shows and why it shows it, so you actively influence the recommend. Finally, customize by pinning favorite playlists and hiding unwanted cards via each item's three-dot menu, which creates a cleaner home screen tailored to you. Once done, restart the app and the device to ensure changes apply. Make sure to test with a fresh account if results differ, since personalization varies by profile. If problems persist, gather app logs and screenshots and contact Shopify support so they can diagnose server-side or account-specific issues. This usually speeds resolution when local fixes fail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.